Hey everybody, it's me again, Jan from Countryside Dream Channel. Welcome back, and I really hope that you are ready for the next video. So, the next construction season started already. We have early spring and there is ton of stuff to do. So, I'm going to show you today the overview how the building looks like in our property, and we are going to start with something. I don't know what, we will see. So guys, we have end of March. I have no chance to start with something earlier because I became a dad, guys, and you know there is other priority then. But now I'm here on the property, and as you can see, the grass is overgrown, stuff is all over the construction site, and honestly I really don't like to work in a mess. So today we are going to clean everything and prepare for a proper construction stuff. Yeah, and hopefully we will start today here also. So let's go.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop.
It's going really nice, but I need to add fuel and line. And also it will be a long day because there is ton of grass, guys.
It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night. There's nothing like feeling alive.
It's your birthday.
There's nothing like feeling.
So, yesterday I was able to clean almost all property, but here I stuck. And the reason is there is not the grass, but already the small bush, and I had not ride the motorization yesterday. So today I'm going to use another cutter and finish the cleaning and grass cutting of whole property, and then we are able to start with proper work on our house. Let's continue. Grass is down, but as you can see, it's like a few days ago and it's started to grow back. So this will be really like a never-ending fight, but it's done. And now I'm going to really clean all the waste, all plastic, all this kind of stuff. It's a stuff which nobody likes, but it's necessary to finish also such a thing. So guys, we have no time to waste. Let's go. So my friends, this will be the big bag I have from local farm. It was for a corn storage, and I'm just, you know, will use it as a place for whole plastic and leftovers from styrofoam and all plastic materials. Then it will be transported to the official, you know, like a place where the all construction site waste is collected. So, all property is cleansed, everything is more or less ready for work. But the first thing what I would love to show you is this nice stuff. During the winter, early spring, I was able to manage electricity connection to my property for my future house. So I had to really install the pole. It's connected through the wire to the official, you know, infrastructure of the village. And here is like a machine for accounting of consumption of electricity. So what I would love to do now is to really clean it, this, you know, like stuff, a lot of dirt, a lot of mud here, and etc, etc. I was not able to properly finish and clean it during this period of time, like January, February, because it was super wet, super muddy. So I'm now going to start my old tractor excavator and really push it and clean it, and then we'll be really ready to do some construction works, guys.
We don't need a destination, let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm, let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we wait. Grab some glasses in the atlas, we can prove we're smarter than a phone. Let's go where there's no reception, see if we can make it on our own. Breathe deep in your chest. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm, let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why. Let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. If we hold can chase the Mississippi.
So the rough part is done by excavator, and now I'm going to really take the shovel, make it nice, smooth and clean all around, you know, like you have really nice piece of property also around this kind of stuff. Nice and smooth, no holes, flood area, all nicely done. Now we can continue. Now the proper construction stuff will start down there. Ladies and gentlemen, and today we are going to finally continue on the construction of the house. But at first I would like to share with you some changes. My beloved subscribers, due to some design changes on which I was thinking the whole winter, we are going to demolish this little internal wall, because I found out that this space will be too small for such a living room. So today is the task to really demolish this part. This pole we have to also put down, and this will be replaced by the monolithic concrete pole here, concrete pole really next to the wall, and we are going to use the really like a huge steel rebar or something like that, which will take the whole weight of the ceiling and all this kind of stuff. No worries, all is calculated, all is discussed with the project manager, yeah, with the guy who created the whole project documentation for the house. But we have like a work on the top, so it will be really hard day today. So what is the plan now? This is the wall which we need to put down, and guys, I was really trying to hammer it down with a hammer, big hammer, but it's super strong. I will show you. This is the mark from the hammer, and that's it. So I'm going to start the saw and cut maybe 2-3 pieces from the wall and then push it down. So this is the plan. Then we will clean the mess and we will continue.
Watch me as I go. Should I look both ways before you cross me, baby? 'Cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. Hey, hey, hey. I'm moving on. Hey, got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I got a new love. He runs for miles. 67 fastback. Oh, it's just my style. We're headed down, down, down the road. Just enjoy the show. Watch me as I go. Should look both ways before you cross me, baby, 'cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. Hey, hey, hey. I'm moving on. Hey, got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. for boys. Hey, I'm moving on. Hey, got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Both ways before you cross me, baby, 'cause I don't break for boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, the wall is gone. Nice clean spot, and I will show you this will be one open space to this wall. I think much better solution. Now the last thing what I'm going to do today is I need to remove this pole, because I'm going to do just the formwork, and this one needs to be really like a monolithic from the concrete, also with the steel rebars, to have really like a strong pillar on which I will put the steel lintel.
I'm moving on. For miles, 67 fastback, oh, it's just my style. We're headed down the road. Just enjoy the show, watch me as I go. Should've looked both ways before you cross me, baby, 'cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on.
So, and we have a next day. Guys, we had really a huge thunderstorm last time, but we were able to finish whole demolition of the wall. And this is the result. Look at that space. It was the original place of the wall, and also a little pole here. And what we are going to do now, the wooden formwork here, wooden formwork here, and create a really reinforced monolithic concrete poles. And through this I'm going to buy the huge 8-meter long steel lintel, and we will create the really huge space, a living area with the dining corner and kitchen and everything, fireplace. So yeah, this was the much better solution. Why I had to demolish the wall? Honestly, on the project documentation, on the paper, the space really looked much bigger than in reality, and honestly I really did a decision. So I really would love to have a really nice open space, and do not be like all my life like why I didn't demolish the wall and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, if you love this video and our channel, please still give us a sub. It's a huge help for us. Leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, we will see you in the next video.